Come experience an Honest Abe log raising. Have you ever wondered what it's really like to build a log home? We'd love to invite you to join us on Saturday, July 18th, beginning at 9 a.m. at our national headquarters here in Moss, Tennessee, for one of our favorite events of the year, our Honest Abe log raising. You'll get to watch a real log home come together right before your eyes, as our experienced crew demonstrates the craftsmanship and precision that goes into every Honest Abe home. After the log raising, we'll take you behind the scenes with a guided tour of our manufacturing facility. You'll see how our logs are milled, learn about the different wall systems we offer, explore heavy timber and structural insulated panels, and get a first-hand look at the quality and attention to detail that set Honest Abe apart. Our sales team, designers, and construction experts will be available throughout the day to answer your questions. Whether you're just starting to dream about building or you're ready to start planning your forever home. Lunch will be provided, so come hungry. Enjoy some great food, meet our team, and spend the day learning everything you wanted to know about building a log home in a climate-controlled building. The event is completely free, but space is limited, so we do ask that you reserve your spot in advance. We'd love the opportunity to meet you, show you around, and help bring your log home dreams one step closer to reality. We hope to see you on July 18th.